In today's video, we're going to talk about credit score. 6 different ways you can improve your credit score here in the United States of America. If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Hello everybody, this is John from USA Monde and welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. Today I have another video for you guys, and like I said in the introduction, today we're going to talk about credit score. 6 different ways you can improve your credit score here in the United States of America, especially for you guys who are newcomers here, who are planning to come to the United States of America. You have to know what credit score is and what it can do for you here in the state. Okay, so for some of you guys who don't know what credit score is, and basically it's called a financial institute used to make a decision on whether or not they can loan you money, whether or not you are a person they can trust to pay the money they loan you back. Okay, so basically that's what it is. And then those credit scores are provided by 3 main credit bureaus here in the United States of America: TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. Okay, those are the 3 main credit bureaus. They collect information, financial information about individual, and then provide those information to financial institute to make a decision to loan you money. Whether you need money to buy a car, to buy a house, to go to school and stuff like that. So those credit scores vary from 300 to 850. So 850 is kind of high. Okay, if you have an 850 point, meaning that you pay your bills on time, you are good, your credit score is very good. But 300, it's poor. Okay, so now people are struggling. They don't know, especially when it comes to United States of America, they don't know how they can build their credit score. Credit score is very important. If you want to have insurance on your car now, they ask you for a credit score. If you want to rent an apartment, they're going to check your credit score. If you want to apply for credit card itself, they're going to check your credit score. If you want to apply for loan, they're going to check your credit score. Credit score is very important here in the United States of America. Like I said, I'm telling you guys who are new here, don't play with your credit score. Okay, don't play with that. It's very important. Unfortunately, it's a system here. Maybe you don't have that back home in your home country, but here it's something very important you have to pay attention to. Okay, if you mess it up, it's gonna hurt you. Your interest rate will go high everywhere you go. If you wanna let's say you want to buy a car, you're going to have a high interest rate. If you want to rent an apartment, for example, if you don't have a good credit score, your deposit is going to be a little bit higher. So it's very important. So now today we're going to talk about 6 different ways you can improve your credit score here in the United States of America. Okay, I have my cheat sheet here as always, so I don't forget anything. So the first one we're going to talk about today is going to be pay your bills on time. Okay, you have to pay your bills on time. So your electricity bills, your cell phone bills, your rent, your car payments, your credit card bills, all those stuff, you have to pay them on time. If you don't pay them on time, that can hurt your credit score. But if you pay them on time, that will increase your credit score. Okay, the second thing we're going to talk about today is to pay off your debt. Okay, if you have a credit card debt, you have a car or debt, you have a student loan debt, all those debt, to make sure you pay them off. Have a plan in place to pay them off, because by paying them off, that will increase your credit score. Okay, then the third one is keep your balance on your credit card low. You have to keep your balance on credit card low, at least on 30% of your credit limit. Okay, let's say your credit limit is $1,000. Don't go over $300. Don't spend more than $300 on your car. If you keep it low, like the top one is gonna be 30%. But if you can keep it to 10%, 20%, that's even better. That will increase your credit score. Okay, that's something you can do. The fourth thing we're going to talk about is apply for credit card only if you need it. Okay, don't apply for credit card because you got all those offers in the mail from Citibank and from Bank of America, from all those banks. Okay, don't do that because if you keep doing that, you keep applying for a credit card like that, it doesn't help you at all. Your score won't go up. It doesn't help you at all. People think that if they apply for a credit card, their credit score will go up. No, it doesn't work like that. The few credit cards you have, you can manage it to boost your credit score. It's not because you apply for a different credit card, you have a 10, 12, 15 credit card, and your credit score will go up. No, only apply for credit card when you need it, okay? The fifth thing we're going to talk about here is don't close on any unused credit card, okay? If you have a credit card, you don't use it no more, don't close it. If you close it, that will have impact on your credit score. That will hurt your credit score, because think about it, if you have a 6 credit card, okay, and your credit score is like maybe 700, then you close it, now your limit, your credit card limit will be low, and then your credit utilization ratio will go up, and that will hurt your credit score. Don't do that. The only way you can think about closing and use a credit card is when there is an annual fee. You don't want to pay annual fee for no reason. If you don't use the card, why you have to keep paying annual fee? You can close it at that point, but most of the time it's not recommended to close your unused credit card, okay? The sixth and the final thing we're going to talk about is to dispute any false information on your credit report, okay? If you check your credit report and you see information about a credit card and you never open on that account, you can dispute that. You can call the credit bureau and let them know, yeah, hey, there is this information on my credit report. I never opened this account. I don't know who opened this account. You can dispute that so they can remove that from your report. By doing that, that will increase your credit score as well. So those are the 6 things you can do to improve your credit score here in the United States of America. Like I said, especially for you guys who are newcomers here in the United States of America, who have a low credit score, you're trying to improve it, who are permanent resident here in the United States of America, who are trying to improve your credit score. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who needs to watch this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more video like this one, all you got to do is click on this. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.